Let's explore a variety of shakers to find out which one is right for you. First up, we have the Peruvian rain stick, which has a stunning geometric pattern design. Whilst it is technically a shaker, its main use is as a rain stick. You would slowly tilt to produce relaxing sounds. Next up is the Gourd Kashaka shaker. It consists of two gourd balls that are hollowed and filled and are attached with this rope. You just place the ball in your hand and fling it over. This is the most fun you'll have with a shaker. If you want relaxing sounds and organic textures, the Lima Nut Cluster might be for you. You just hold the loop and move your hand around these seeds. Typically used for sound therapy, but you can also use it as a shaker. Next up is our best-selling coconut shell Maraca. It has this stunning hand-painted sun design with bright colours. Each one is completely unique and it has a great sound. Shake, rattle and tap. If you want something for spiritual and ceremonial purposes, you will love the Khenji Shamanic shaker. It has a natural stick handle and a cowhide head, and this is how it sounds. It has a bright, crunchy sound. If you want to check out any of these instruments, I will put a link in the description so that you can do that. Thank you so much for watching.